Today you will learn how to finalize a Word document after track changes. First, let's quickly see how track changes works. Open your Word document, click the Review tab, and click Track Changes to turn it on. Now make a few edits, such as adding new text, deleting a word, or changing a sentence. You'll notice that Word highlights every change, so nothing is lost, and everyone can review the edits later. This feature is especially useful when multiple people are editing the same document. Once all editing is complete, it's time to finalize the document. Stay on the Review tab and look at the Changes group. If you want to review every edit one by one, click Accept to keep a change or Reject to remove it. Then continue until you've gone through the entire document. If you've already reviewed everything and want to finish quickly, click the arrow below Accept and choose Accept All Changes or Accept All Changes and Stop Tracking. This keeps all the edits and turns off track changes at the same time. If you don't want any of the edits, click the arrow below Reject and choose Reject All Changes or Reject All Changes and Stop Tracking instead. One important tip is that selecting No Markup only hides the track changes. It does not remove them. To permanently finalize your document, you must accept or reject the changes. After that, if your document has comments, delete them from the Review tab if they are no longer needed. Finally, go to the File tab and choose Info. Now go to Protect Document and choose Mark as Final. You will see a message. Click OK. Click OK again. Now, when you go back and open the document we just marked as final, you will see the ribbon is grayed out and no changes can be made to this document. One last thing to note, you will be able to tell which documents are marked as final by the icon on the status bar. That's it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.